Finished now?
Final product, guys.
Final product.
Yeah. Plantain. Fried plantain, the brown stew chicken, and the rice and peas.
The plantain.
Ready for eat now.
Brown stew chicken and rice and peas.
Yeah.
Of course, you know the vegetable and the juices in the fridge.
Yeah.
So
when you want content quality, there's one place I'd rather be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family.
good morning, guys, or almost midday. How are you guys doing? So we're back with another Delpratt family vlog. Well, today is Sunday again, and Moons is in the kitchen cooking up a storm, and she's gonna make some special juice, right? She's gonna make some juice, and I wanted to capture it today. So come with us, guys. So if you're here, remember to hit that subscribe button, all right? Hit the notification bell, put the setting on all, and remember to give us a thumbs up, all right? So guys, Adrian is here doing some editing.
Go on the squad.
Yes.
Big up on yourself, you know.
And of course, you see Kyrie present all over this section. So his bottles are being sterilized and all those good stuff.
Yeah, Kyrie, take over.
Full, me, I tell you, fully. Jay, what you doing? As usual, as usual. So Mums, what are you doing in the kitchen? What are you up to now?
Hi guys. There at it again. I'm gonna try to make some fresh salad. Fresh vegetable is smart. Yeah. That's it.
And what else? We are in the kitchen today overall. We are cook.
Overall, I make some juice so. Some juice, some fruit juice. And I cook some regular rice and peas and brown stew chicken.
Yep.
Yeah. Alright, I have some pine. You have a pine and I have the skin, so you put the skin in the freezer.
Oh, you have pine skin?
Yeah. I have what the thing the name?
OTET apple.
The apple, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And I put some ginger.
I like the
And
ginger.
the apple something. Star
apple.
fruit.
Jumbelin, I see him.
Jumbelin.
Yeah, the star fruit.
I always call it Jumbelin, but it's named star fruit too.
Yes.
By the way, guys, we got St. Thomas recently, right? We're gonna link that video. So we got St. Thomas and video the whole country setting, and we'll get the fruits, them, and all of that. So you guys can check the info card at the top, no sure if I left or right, up there so, right? You can check the info card and in the description for that video. Right?
Yeah.
A very fun video. Go down to St. Thomas and show all of what go on, and you know, if you don't want to see that, you can upload to that when you complete this video.
Yep.
You guys.
It was an adventure.
But I used to get used to the camera, you know, so the see we make me nervous.
You're good, man.
So, when I finish, I'm going to do the vegetable, so when I finish, you can show you.
Exactly what go on.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah, guys, I'll be a thing I go on here. So, see the pot I will have with the peas already, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, and thing and.
Everything well set up.
Yep.
Vegetable in preparation. Yes.
That's some cabbage. Cabbage, I check some cabbage.
Yeah. You know the what I always found to be a bit challenging when I first started shredding cabbage was getting the size right. So I always cut it in some big chunks, and then I say like it's not small enough, it's not neat enough, it's not nice enough.
You know, for
You have to,
perfect, but
yeah.
you know, you have to just try.
You have to be patient.
And see how best you can get it. Because if the knife not sharp enough, you
Yeah,
not get
yeah,
it the way out.
That's the key to, you know, the knife of the sharp.
Yeah.
A true.
Right.
You have to cut all the carrot them
Yeah, that
to
sharp
get it
knife.
nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
You know?
That is true. You have to just take your time and go down.
Yeah.
No matter rush it.
You can get it finer than this, though, but it's some good size.
Yeah, I like that size. I like that size.
Yeah.
I like that size.
Right.
Yeah. Carrots in and all these things looking colorful.
I'm going to put some cucumber too.
And cucumber. the people. It's coming together. Sunday dinner is coming together. Cucumber time.
Yeah.
Slice them down the middle. I love cucumber. Cucumber is one of my favorite vegetables. Yeah, cucumber time, guys. I love keeping the skin on. Get some of the fiber in, you know? Yep. And guys, comment in the comment section. Do you use salad dressing on your vegetable, or do you just eat it raw like that? Because I like it raw. I think salad dressing just spoils it for me. But I know some people like it with the dressing, you know? Yeah. Yeah, what y'all doing?
There, man. We just finish up our last video we want to get published today. You know, so try doing on the regular uploads, you know, guys. Yeah, man, regular uploads.
And how is the big brother doing? Eating as usual? Food, you know?
Food boss.
Meanwhile, over this side, Mom's preparing to blend the juice. I love fruit juice, guys. Fruit juice are my thing. You know, funny story. While growing up, I never had a lot of artificial juice while growing up. So my mom used to always make fruit juice like carrot juice, June plum juice. Like I used to have a lot of fruit juice. Not necessarily the box juice and the juice, you know? Yeah, so Mom's is here doing our thing. So what is in this again? We have carrots, nice. Star fruit.
Oh, maybe have some
Pine skin.
So we wash and stuff.
Ginger.
Yeah.
And also eat the apple.
Yeah.
Yes.
And some carrots.
And some carrots.
So when we finish now, we show them the finished product.
Yes.
Alright?
To blend up and do your thing.
Yeah. Alright.
And the carrot in the blended, in another blend up too and everything.
Everything, yeah.
Everything nice.
Everything in there.
Pass it through the strainer, you know?
No?
Just a little salt.
Yeah, that's not. Mango cubes. You know, I put us with the body because so whenever we have a ripe fruit,
Yeah.
yeah, so that will make it kind of get with the body. Right,
And little flavor.
Yeah, and look for more flavor. Yeah. Alright. Let's see. Or
Yes.
the final straining before the mix it.
Alright.
Yeah. I'm going to strain it in over and over. Get out the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's it. Put like 2 spoons of sugar. Too sweet.
Yeah.
Right? Because I'm going to taste it.
Yeah.
I say. You can use a teaspoon.
Why?
Look at the drama. Look at the drama. Daddy's struggling.
Alright, guy. Alright.
Alright, so let's taste.
If you want anything, if you want more sugar.
It actually tastes good. The ginger nice, the sugar level nice. Sugar nice, sugar part nice. Come daddy. How it is?
How it tastes?
Yeah, you time for taste now.
You can't move right now.
Hey, you hear that, people? You can't move right now. He's tied down.
Alright. Alright.
taste it.
Alright, see ya?
How is it?
Nice, man. Ginger turn up in night too, you know? It's a nice kick.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Show them a
Why?
it's not overdoing. No, the ginger just gives like a flavor. And I like it. It's over well done.
Oh,
Finished product.
finished product.
Yeah.
Wait, look who they here with coconut and.
We put some time already, so I'm gonna put some polypa time or some pimento, scallion and green pepper.
Good, so seasoning time.
Yeah. And today the lazy day. It's a lazy day today, so when you're lazy, you resort to powder coconut, right? Yeah.
So you know you add your green pepper, that's classic for your rice and peas, you know, people. Green pepper, you have to add your green pepper, man.
Give a little flavor.
Yep. So you add a little water to your powder.
Yeah. Not like a real coconut, but sometimes you have to just do what you have to do. You know?
Yep.
Yeah. Right.
Season up your stew pea, your
Rice and peas.
rice and peas.
And you know what? I'm gonna put some butter.
Put some of the butter.
Always almost drop.
Flavor.
Always almost drop.
So people, butter come, right?
On its way.
Yep. Just an update on what's going on in the kitchen.
Come on, come on.
Rice and peas ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one steam down some more. Take out all of them because them you don't do
Yeah.
what them supposed to do already, right?
Get all the flavor. Take out the pepper, okay? Now what that was nice, you know?
Maybe it wants steam down some more still. Not quite
Yeah,
ready.
that come on.
Yeah. Show them this brown stew chicken.
Brown stew chicken and brown and all these things.
And the the plantain they're on the way too.
And plantain is coming.
Just put them in. Yeah, until further notice.
Until further notice, eh? Big smile.
Oh, go on, just run on the road and come back.
Do all the
Yeah.
errands.
So this on the reach now.
Yep, so Adrian is doing all the errands nowadays, guys.
Gets grounded.
Yep. Did you find our cook down mums?
Yeah, final.
Look at that.
Take it so.
So after this, just make it take your time.
Yeah,
on
just
us.
get some more. Body, I don't want water, I want nice rich gravy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
yeah, that's it.
Yep, that's it. Finish now?
Final product, guys.
Final product.
Yeah, plantain, fried plantain, the brown stew chicken,
Mm-hmm.
and the rice and peas.
So plantain,
Ready for eat now.
brown stew chicken, and rice and peas.
Yeah.
Of course, you know the vegetable and the juices in the
Right,
fridge.
Yeah.
Hey guys, yeah man, see it here? See it here?
Dinner is served.
Want me volley and sort out for you, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah guys, so we're gonna dig into this.
Yep. Thank you guys so much for joining us on today's vlog.
Yep.
D Squad members say you must subscribe.
Yeah.
Subscribe and become a part of the D Squad, alright?
Straight up.
Right? Turn on your post notification and put the setting on all, right?
Yeah man.
I will want the thumbs up.
Yeah
Nothing else
guys.
you like, you can
Drop the likes, alright? Peace out, guys.
Bye.